In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Apple gift card balance. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to expect on the page, and a few tips to make the process smooth and secure. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Apple's official gift card balance page. If you're not sure of the direct address, a quick search for Apple gift card balance will bring it up. Just make sure you're clicking a result from Apple's official site. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar and the Apple domain to confirm you're in the right place. Once you're on the balance page, sign in with your Apple account. This is the same Apple ID you use for the App Store and other Apple services. Signing in ensures the system can show you accurate information and helps protect your card details. If you use two-factor authentication, you might see a prompt to verify your sign-in. Go ahead and approve it on your trusted device. As a quick tip, only sign in on devices and networks you trust and never share your login details with anyone. After you sign in, you may be asked to enter your gift card code. If you have a physical card, the code is typically under a scratch-off label on the back. Scratch gently so you don't damage the characters. For digital cards, the code is in the original email or PDF from Apple or an authorized retailer. Enter the code exactly as shown. Don't worry about spaces or hyphens, just type the characters clearly. If something doesn't look right, double-check similar-looking characters like the number 0 versus the letter O. With the code entered, submit it to view your available balance. On this screen, you'll see the amount currently available to use. If the card has already been redeemed, the page will let you know, and you'll still be able to view any Apple account balance tied to your sign-in. If the balance isn't what you expect, confirm you entered the correct code, make sure you're signed in to the right Apple account, and check the original purchase receipt or email for details. That's it. You go to Apple's gift card balance page, sign in, enter the code if prompted, and then review the amount shown. Keep your gift card and receipt until you've used the full value, and always check your balance on Apple's official site for accuracy and security. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confirm your Apple gift card balance with confidence.